here's RK the cube solver, and this is my video on the 2x2 Rubik's cube. So friends, I am going to tell you the two moves used in 2x2 Rubik's cube. The first one is called the right suit. I think that this is heard by you the second time. First time it was told in the 3x3 Rubik's cube, and the second time it is told in the 2x2 Rubik's cube. But these both are very much different. In the 3x3 Rubik's cube, it was told for convenience and so that there is no problem. But here it is real. So I am going to show you. Right up, 2 times top left, right down, top right, right up, top right, and right down. See, this is called the right suit. The other one is the left suit. It is done like this. Left up, 2 times top right, left down, top left, left up, top left, left down. This is called the left suit. So friends, first let us start with the first layer. First we are going to find a piece containing white and red. Here it is. Now to put it here, we'll do the following move. Right up, top left, right down. See, this came right. This is wrong. I'm going to rotate it. Now we are going to find a piece containing white and green. Here it is, but it is coming down. We have to keep it here. For doing it, we are going to do the following move. Left up, top right, left down. Top left, top left up, top right, left down. See, this also became right. Now only the last, which will come here. For doing it, we are going to do the following move. Right up, top left, right down. See, our first layer is ready. Now we are going to start with the second layer. But first, I am going to tell you that there are many situations in the second layer. I am going to show you one by one all the situations. The first situation is like this. Here, 2 yellow pieces are there and 2 are not there. For solving this, we are going to do the right suit. And here, this position will come, and this is the right position. The other one I am going to show you. In the other one, there is no piece in the top side. All the pieces are down. See, one rod is here and 2 pieces parallel to each other are here. For solving it, we are going to take the right piece, right parallel piece, and we are going to do the right suit. And if you wish, you can also take the left parallel piece and do the left suit. The result would be same. The other one is here. One rod is in the top layer and other 2 pieces are parallel to each other. For doing this, we will take the rod in our right and we will do the right suit. Then this will come and we will do these right suit simply. Then these both lines will come which are parallel to each other. This is also one of the situation. For doing this, we'll take the piece in the middle and we'll do the right suit. And then again this will come and we'll do the right side. And this will result this. The other one is here. There is a rod in the top layer and another rod in the second layer. For solving this, we'll take the rod in our right and we'll do the right side. Then again this position will come. We'll again do the same move. Then this is the wrong. Now we are going to do from the middle, and here this will come. And again we are going to do the right side. Then these both parallel will come. Then we'll take the middle part and we'll do the the right side. Then again this will come and we'll do the right side. And this will come. Again we'll take the middle. And this will come. We'll do the right side. And finally this position will come. I am going to do the following move. Left up, one time top right, left down, top right, left up, two times top left and down. See. Then the whole white will be solved. And we have to find any one rod which is correct, like see here. But if in your cube there is no correct, then you have to solve it again till here. Then we will do the following algorithm to solve the following cube. We will put this opposite and down. Then this white will come. Then we will do the following move. Right down, top left, right down, two times bottom right, right up, top right, right down, two times bottom right, right, two times right up, and you will find that our cube is solved. Thank you, friends.